My dad made a seagull. Action! My mum, the wrestler who doesn't really wrestle as she has narcolepsy, married my dad before I was born. My mum was a model back then, but I made her fat and she quit. She still thinks she's fat and says her bum's too big, but I like her bum. And I know Daddy does too. Even if he does sometimes tell her it's too big. For a job he makes films. Not like that. That's what I thought he did until we made a film together. In the house just for fun and called it My Mum the Wrestler. It was about my mum, the wrestler, the one who isn't allowed to wrestle except for fun. My dad made another film with my mum. In it she got really out of breath and talked about oh God. A lot of my dad's films are for grown-ups only. Like scary ones with zombies. But I've seen my dad on a morning and they can't be scarier than that. I'm told I've got my dad's brain and his imagination. But I don't see it myself. So we made our film and I got paid as much ice cream as I could possibly eat until Mum knew I was going to be sick. My dad put the film on the wide world interweb for everyone to see and soon we won some awards. As a reward I got to eat as much ice cream as I possibly could until Mum knew I was going to be sick again. Then Dad decided he wanted to make another film with me, as he said that's what they do in Hollywood. All successful films get second ones made and these are called seagulls. I liked this idea a lot as making the first film with Dad was a lot of fun. But to star in the Seagull I wanted to be paid more than just ice cream, especially as Mum was getting tired of cleaning up my sick. Dad said how about £5 and I said no. 10. I want a pony. Dad said no. Where would it sleep? It can sleep with me. Again he said no. It'd kick and grind its teeth and I'd wake up feeling a little hoarse. Then Mum came up with the best idea. If I starred in the Seagull I would get a seahorse. So we made the Seagull, this Seagull. And I got my seahorse. And whilst my dad liked his new film, he said the best thing he'd ever made was definitely me, and I was a true original that couldn't be bettered. Which, without any ice cream whatsoever, made me feel kind of sick again.